This is Hans coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that I can't even remember who sent it. I think it was James from Lakeside, California. This is No Wang or Number Wang. Check that out. Whoa! It No Wang. And how do I cook this? How long? God, it's gonna be difficult. This is a instant Luosi rice noodle, which means it's river snail. And how long? 4 minutes? 4 minutes. Cool. So this is crazy insanity. I'll show you. First off, here's our noodle. So let's add that. I'm in a hurry today. I am. I've been doing, last 2 days, I've done, I think Monday I walked 17 miles. Yesterday I walked 18 and a half miles. And today has been kind of cuckoo. As I've done just a fraction. But first off, this stuff. Whoa. Luosi noodle. There we go right here. Whoa, here's another one. So there's 2 sachets. This is Sachet City. Let me tell you. Come on. But my kids get done with school at 2:30. It's 8 to 1. I've got 3 reviews to do. I'm like having a trouble with my work-life balance because I don't know. I can't manage this work-life balance. It's basically I like doing all the walking. I'm losing weight like crazy, and thanks for noticing. And yeah, and it's nice out. It's like super nice, super nice. What is this? This looks pickled. It looks pickled. Smells pickled. I have a feeling I'm not gonna like this, but you never know. You never know. How many sachets? Is that 4? I know there's like a million pictures. I took the pictures for this on Monday and edited them Monday afternoon, I believe. It's Wednesday and I haven't even gotten the posts ready to go yet. It's pretty bad. Usually but no, I'm so freaking caught up with my whole walking thing that it's just like not working out so well. I think that's garlic water. Okay, it's just weird because I'm like doing like top 10 list stuff and that's good and I'm like a bazillion reviews ahead, but I want to keep the magic alive, you know. Okay, now we're gonna slap a lido on this and we're gonna set our magical tick-tock clock for 4 minutes. Whoa, we need to charge this thing. So there's our 4 minutes. Yeah, and it's like the hottest day of the year, I'm pretty sure right now. The walking I've been doing is I go out, I do 8 miles with the dog. The dog? Where's the dog? Pepper! Where's the dog? Pepper? There's the dog. Here, come you see the dog. The dog is growing, ladies and gentlemen. There's my dog. Urgh. What are you doing, Pepper? Don't get in the trash. You're not a raccoon. Stay out of the trash. Go down. but she is a freaking handful. But it's like, I don't know what the exact temperature is outside right now, but it's too hot for Dogger. Yeah, I think it's probably like 73 right now. I went out with her and came back because it was just like, no. And then I went out again, and yeah. But what I've been doing is I go that way and do a big loop. If I'm lucky, my wife's break coincides with when we're going by, and we go visit her for like about 5 minutes and then keep going. So we walk around downtown Bothell and then come back here, and then I put her in the crate, turn on the AC, and I go out again, and I walk down the Burt Gilman Trail to the sign that says "Welcome to Seattle." And by the time I get back, that's usually at least 15 miles, which you'd think, holy crap, how are you walking 15 miles a day? I mean, I think that, but I'll be like yapping with my buddy Stumpy from North Little Rock, and we'll just be jabberjawing about like computer nerdy crap and this and that. It's just like, and I'm back before I know it. But today the kids get out of school at 2:30. I've got an hour and a half. I've got 19,000 steps, 21,211 or so. It is 10 miles. What's funny too is I've basically got 3 apps that give me an idea of stuff. There's the Fitbit app, there's the Google Fit app, and then there's the Google Timeline. The Google Fit and the Google Timeline both use GPS. The Google Fit uses steps and GPS, and Google Fit just goes, Fitbit just says, oh, every step you're taking is this long. So what I go with, because the Google Fit one is probably the most accurate, but I have to have my cell phone in my pocket the whole time, so the steps aren't right, but the GPS is kind of close to right. So if I've done 10 miles according to Fitbit, generally Google Fit says I've done 11 or 11 and a half. So it's got GPS. It's got to be right. There we go. My second highly caffeinated beverage of the day. And I need a bowl. I think I'm going to use this bowl. I don't know why, but it just feels the right way to go. Alright. I'm really not feeling all that confident about this one. It's river snail noodle. I think a lot of people really enjoy it. I'm not super sold on it, but it's very popular. Whoa, there's a lot going on here, and there's a lot of noodle in here, and oh look, it kind of looks like the way it went in. Give it a good stir, but this isn't hydrated. I want to see if this noodle actually came out to any resemblance of a well done noodle. I think this is going to be like stiff and hard as a rock, which really sucks because, oh yeah. No. No. The ice noodles. Yeah, it just says to cover them for 4 minutes, and that is definitely BS. Is that it? Oh, it wants you to add the ingredients at the end. What? What? Oh, are you freaking kidding me? I may have made this wrong. It's like telling you to drain it and then add new water in. I don't know, folks. I don't know. I might have screwed the pooch on this one. But it only says 4 minutes, and this had boiling water in it for 4 minutes, and this stuff is stiff. It's underdone. Maybe I made it wrong. Well, regardless of the instructions, I've added the amount of water I believe that was proper for this, according to the designated line on the side. And I'm going to tell you what, the flavor of this really is not to my liking. And I don't think if I cooked it longer or did it in a different way that I would like it any better. It certainly looks lovely. It's got a very nice looking rice noodle. But yeah, this does not, it's lecithin. I don't like lecithin. I don't like it. Excuse me. There's some of that. Oh my. Any more sesame seed? Crushed red pepper. I don't know. This is like a really popular product. This Luosi noodle, and I've got to say, I think it tastes like crap, and I don't like any of them. I don't think I think I found one that I liked. But generally, I've had problems with the river snail. It is not my spirit animal, I gotta say. Not to say that there are plenty of absolutely brilliant and wonderful Chinese noodles, but I just don't like this variety. It's fine. Yeah. All right, well, the next one you're gonna see is from, I'm pretty sure it came out of a Zen Pop box. What do you think, Pepper? This is Daikoku freaking huge yakisoba. I don't know if that's the name, but that's what it is. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. I'll see you on the flip side. Thanks, bye. Right, bye.